I'm not stepping out the vehicle, bro. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do absolutely nothing.
Hi, this is attorney Rich Galardi with Shane Smith Law. Today we're going to watch a video and find out when can the police order you out of your car at a traffic stop. Let's watch the video.
Hey everybody, I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts about this video in the comments down below. Your comment can win you our March giveaway, which is a $250 gift certificate to Mary Maids. Spring cleaning right around the corner. Who wants to tackle that job alone? Nobody. So enter down below so you could win.
You pulled in the parking lot the whole time, watching me.
We're gonna do a scan of the vehicle, so if you don't mind, step out of the vehicle.
What for what? Have I been suspected of committing a crime?
We can scan any vehicle we want as long as.
But have I suspected of committing a crime?
For a legal reason. So
that's a traffic stop. That's a traffic issue.
So do me a favor, step out of the vehicle.
Write me a ticket so I can go by my way. I'm not stepping out the vehicle, bro. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do absolutely nothing. If you pull me out this vehicle, I'm gonna file a lawsuit, bro. You violate my rights. I drive the other car, you pull me over in it. You pull my old lady over in it.
All right, well, if you
it's just ridiculous.
If you step out, we're gonna scan the car.
What you gonna scan the car for? You can look and see there ain't nothing in the car.
As you can see from the video, this gentleman was pulled over by the police and they immediately asked him to get out of his car. He refused to get out of the car. So the question is, can he lawfully refuse to get out of the car? Stated otherwise, do the police have the right to order him out of the car in a traffic stop? There actually happens to be a Supreme Court case on point. It's the case of Pennsylvania versus Mims, which provides that if a traffic stop is lawful, law enforcement can order you out of your vehicle.
No, I'm not giving you nothing.
Okay, then step out of the vehicle.
No, I'm not. Call your supervisor, man. Call your supervisor. I'm telling you, pull me out the car, you fucking up. You're making a big mistake.
For a legal reason.
You stopped me because you said I pulled up. No, you didn't come to the car. You didn't come to the car and said, sir, you smell like alcohol, you smell like marijuana. None of that. None of that. You just go to your car telling me you pulling me over for a traffic stop. Go to your car and then 10 police fucking pull up like I'm supposed to be fucking scared or something. I done been through this plenty in my life. I'm not stepping out of shit. That's my right, dude. This is a traffic stop. Why can't he just write me a ticket and I go by my way? Because if I'm telling you I haven't done anything wrong and he's saying that I have, it's his word against mine. I haven't done anything. Didn't say anything about nothing when he pulled me over, but all of a sudden he wanted me out of my vehicle to search my car when I have done anything wrong. Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
As we can see from this video, this gentleman is challenging the validity or the lawfulness of the traffic stop. And based on the reaction from the police officers on the scene, they are pretty much admitting that the stop wasn't lawful because they didn't actually make him get out of his car. So it is a gray area here. The man did have the right to refuse to get out of the car because he knew the traffic stop had to be lawful and he knew it wasn't lawful. However, if the stop is lawful under Supreme Court precedent, you are required to get out of your car when law enforcement orders you to do so. If you like learning about your rights and enjoyed this video, like the video and subscribe for more. If you have legal questions about this or anything else, please call 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.
Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to comment for your chance to win.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.